Okay, now we've dry fit the neck and checked for any issues there, we can permanently set the neck. Just clean out the neck cavity using a small brush. Just make sure there's no dust, sawdust, anything like that caught up in there. And just check the back of the neck as well, the heel. Now, using PVA or a similar product, and just using a brush, apply the glue so that we get a nice even coating of glue. Then apply some to the heel. Just as when we dry fit the neck, push the end of the heel in first into the neck cavity, push down, and then push the entire neck into place.
Taking two clamps, clamp to the heel of the neck and the underside of the body. And check the manufacturer's label of the product you're using. In most cases, you can safely remove the clamps after 24 hours.